In this Canva tutorial today, we're going to be taking a look at how we can hide layers of a design. So here we can see we've got a Valentine's design, which I've just selected from the Canva library. And if we hover over the different pictures, these are different elements and we can see that they're all individual. So that means that each one of these elements creates its own separate layer in the design. So if we want to hide one of the layers, what do we need to do? Well, if we select the mugs and then we go to position, we can see here now there are arrange and there are layers, and here we can see now a whole list of all the different layers. So if we hover over them, we can then see that on the canvas it shows us which layer that is referring to. If we choose the little Cupid guy here, we can find the layer, and that's this one here. And if we click on the three dots, we can't see anywhere on here that it says hide image or hide layer. So there's nothing quite obvious or straightforward to do it, unlike design programs like Cricut Design Space, where it has a little eyeball icon and you can click on that and that will hide the layer for you. So what we need to do is, we've obviously got the image highlighted, we've got the layer highlighted, so head over to transparency and we can see that the transparency is at 100. If we slide it down to be 0, then the little Cupid guy has disappeared, but the layer is still there. So we haven't deleted the layer, we've just hidden it. So if then we select another element, so we've got the heart, so that's obviously a separate layer, and we can still go through and we can alter and we can hide other layers as well. And then if at the end of the design you decide that you want to bring it back, then all you need to do is click on the layer and it will bring up the box, go to the transparency and increase the transparency, and the little Cupid guy will reappear. And you can do this with any of the layers that are in your design, and that's a really easy way of hiding layers without deleting them in case you want to add them back in. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.